So what we're going to do with the hat press here is we're going to use a combination of a blank leatherette patch, Laserable Leatherette patch, with a brand new coated adhesive designed to handle maximum adhesion, especially in high heat conditions. So we're going to take this blank hat, and like all hats, we're going to want to get the sweatband out of the way so we can get even pressure on there. Take it on the side of the press, twist it on. There's a channel right here in the front that's designed to accommodate the seam that we have there on the patch. And then just a gentle hold down to keep the hat from swaying back and forth. Now with our high heat on the bottom designed for patches, we're able to press the hat down onto that high heat for a couple of seconds, and what that'll do is stretch out and flatten the hat so we don't have a gap on there when we go to do the heat application. So now we're going to take our Laserable Leatherette patch with the Kota Pro adhesive, peel the backing. Now, obviously the patch is flat, the hat is rounded, so in order to get this to fit on there a little bit better, I'm just going to gently round it. And this will do two things. Number one, give me a little curvature, but number two, give me an idea of where the center of that patch is, so when I go to place it on the hat, I can align that with the center seam. So I'm going to come down with my 1/8 foam pad, my white foam pad. This is designed to compress the patch on there as well as to block scorching on the hat. So because we're doing a double application, rather than the maximum 35 seconds if this was just a patch that was already laser engraved or UV printing, I'm going to cut that time down a little bit so I don't get the over melting the adhesive and getting that to ooze out. So I have a patch there that is tacked down for about half the time. So now I'm going to come back with my Soft Flock heat transfer vinyl logo here. So we're going to place that on top of the patch, and then in the interest of cutting down the time, instead of using the white foam pad, I'm going to use our flexible application pad, which is also designed to block scorching, but because my heat transfer vinyl is not thick like the patch, I don't need that thicker, heavier compression that I'm getting out of the white foam pad. So I'm setting this for my 20 seconds there, and that also will help fuse that Kota Pro adhesive on the Laserable Leatherette patch onto the hat and finish that off as well. So gently taking the hat off, because this is a hot peel and our adhesive is still a little wet and not fully cured, I'm going to have to let this cool down without bending or creasing the hat. I do often get from customers, why do my edges come up? And that comes from removing the hat and sometimes flexing the hat at those corners before it's ready and fully cured. So at this, and again, I'm just going to use my hand to cool that down a little bit, and now I'm just going to peel my liner off of my logo, and there I have a nice price point Laserable Leatherette patch with a Soft Flock design on top.